Hello friends, I'm Utkarsh and today I'll show you how to process Horsehead Nebula in L-RGB. I downloaded the raw stacked and calibrated files from Deep Sky West. You can download and practice from the link given below. Before starting, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and support me. So we should start now. First, I'll open the RID and go to image and adjustments and levels. We will stretch the data again. I'll go to adjustments, image, then levels, and go to black points, then go to gray points and stretch it at the end of the histogram. Again, I'll go to image, adjustments, levels. You can see how histogram has jumped. Now I'll again go to black points and stop from where the histogram is starting here, and I'll stretch till the point. You can see it has stretched. Now I'll go to adjustments and levels. I'll check if it's need more stretching. I would cancel that. I'll go to file and open the green channel and apply the same adjustments like I did. I'll go to image, adjustments, levels. I'll stretch the data. I'll go again. I'll clip in the black points. Now gray points. Again I'll go to adjustments, levels, and I can see a little bit of noise here, but I won't reduce it. I'll open the blue channel and stretch it using adjustments, levels, the same way just I did to both channels. Adjustments, levels. I'll stretch the gray points. Again to levels, black points, and again adjustments, levels. I'll set the black points and go to gray channel, gray points, sorry, and try to adjust this. Now our three channels are stretched, so our next step will be combining them and giving them a color. So we will go to select all, edit, copy, file, new, and we will change the color mode to grayscale, color mode to RGB color, and remove the grayscale option first. So now we have selected the red channel, so we will paste it in the untitled document, and in its channel red we'll go to edit, paste. We have pasted in the red channel. So now we'll go to green and again select all, edit, copy, go to untitled one document and paste using Ctrl+V. Now we'll go to blue channel and okay, I'll copy that using Ctrl plus C and pasting it using Ctrl plus V. Now see how simple it is. We have made a color image of it. Now enclose the remaining ones. So now I'll open the luminosity and stretch it just like we did here. I'll go to image, adjustments and levels and stretch it. Again I'll go to adjustments, to levels and stretch it. Image, adjustments, levels. Now I'll go to curves. First I'll go to mode and change the color to RGB and then go to adjustments, curves. I'll try making it little more and make 3 anchor points here. I'll stretch very lightly here as the stars will be overexposed. I don't want that. I'll copy this using Ctrl plus A or select all. Go to edit, copy and paste it on top of it using Ctrl plus V. You can see it has been pasted. Now we'll change the blending mode to luminosity. You can see here. Now we'll flatten the image and close the luminosity layer from here. Now I'll go to filters. I can see some green hues here, so I'll go to deep sky colors, HLVG. It's available for free. It has gone completely, you can see. Now I'll go to actions and try to remove stars. Let's do an experiment. I am sure this will create blob around them, but let's see what happens. I also have a technique using color range. I'll show you in next video how to remove stars from the video from the image. If you don't have these actions, that would really help. Okay, didn't made that, so if you want, I'll make another video on this. You can use the healing tool to remove these, like you can see how to remove them. But it will look more. So our ultimate goal is not star reduction here, so we'll delete it. I'll run the shrink stars action to 75%. Again I'll try running shrink stars with star removal too. So we have made it. Now I'll run the screen mask invert. If you don't have these actions, I have technique on them. I'll surely post them on YouTube so that it may help. Okay, doesn't seem to work here. I'll cancel that. So I'll delete the layer. The screen masking will make just too much. I'll go to less crunchy and more fuzzy action from astronomy tools. Now I'll run deep space noise reduction. Now I'll go further and crop the image. Okay, we have cropped now. Now I'll go to filters, camera raw filter, and go to clarity, adjust it, adjust the vibrance also. I'll go to hues, adjust it. I'll adjust the primary colors here. Now I'll make a duplicate layer of this and convert it to lap color, and go to channels and select the B channel, and then go to image, adjustments, brightness, contrast, and increase the contrast here, and go to A, go to image, adjustments, brightness, contrast, and increase the contrast by 100%. Okay, I'll copy it using Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus C, and then paste that on top of it. Now I'll decrease the opacity to around 85%, and you can see the difference it made. Okay, I didn't change the blending mode. 89. Okay, now I'll go to local contrast enhancement. It will increase little bit of contrast in the image so that it looks little bit contrasty and its structures are quite prominent in the image. Here we are. Okay, now I'll reduce noise little bit. You can see lot of noise in the sides. Okay, now I'll use this action, make stars smaller. Now I'll run most stars shrink to 50%. Okay, and flatten the image. Now go to sharpening, background, I'll go to filters now, camera raw, and go to highlights and adjust the brightness of that and increase the whites little bit, increase the shadows, blacks, little bit of temperature here, increase the hue, luminance, go to red primary and I'll set to OK. Now I'll run little bit star spikes, faint stars. I don't know if that works or not. I'll try here. Okay, it ruined the image. We'll go to history and try to change the opacity of this. No, so we will delete this. Now we'll go to actions and go to color blotch reduction. Okay, that helped little bit there. So now I'll try to run. First I'll make this copy, background copy, and change the blending mode to soft light and go to filters, others, high pass. It's a great filter plugin that is inbuilt here that increases subtle contrast. Now I'll press the radius to 7.4 and press OK. I only want HPF to run only on the horsehead and little bit part of the flame. Okay, so finally we have made it. If one wants more adjustment, it can be done. Again we can make the background copy of it and change the mode to lap color. Go to channels again, You'll go to brightness and contrast and increase the contrast to about 27%. Go to A and go to adjustments, brightness and contrast, but that will saturate it too much, just so I'll keep it to 8. We'll control plus A, control plus V. Okay, so we are done here. Flatten the image. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share or leave a comment here. If you have any problem regarding image processing, please comment. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.